Hello everyone, this is Hector Perez again with HPL Go. Today I want to show you some of the results from the previous plants that we planted in the previous video. So as you can see, I forgot to mention on my previous video that I already had prepared some land with some hybrid flowers. So as you can see, for example, over here we have an orange hyacinth, and that combination came in from the combination of yellow hyacinth and a red hyacinth. Similarly, we got a pink hyacinth from the combination of a white and a red hyacinth. Remember that in the previous video we planted two white pansies? Well, here is the result. It's a blue pansy. Also, we planted a yellow pansy and a red pansy, and that gave us an orange pansy, although it doesn't really look like orange because it has a red edge and a yellow circle in the middle, but it's still considered orange. Now, as you can see, this tulip is orange, and yes, you guessed it right. It is the combination of a red tulip and a yellow tulip. And this pink tulip came also from the combination of a white and a red tulip. Now, you see this black color. How I was able to get it? Well, it's pretty simple. This black tulip as well as this black lily came in from the combination of a red and a red tulip and a red lily. You can see over here in this corner we have a pink cosmos that came from the combination of a red and a white cosmos, and this orange, yes, you guessed it right again, it came in from a combination of a red and a yellow cosmos. So this is how the breeding mechanics on flowers work in Animal Crossing. I hope you enjoyed this video with me, and I hope to see you soon. Please stay safe. This is Hector Perez with HPL Go. Take care. Bye bye.